Okay, very quickly we're going to go through how to add article to the website, add an image to that article, and an image gallery if you need to, and also more importantly how to add a menu item in the front end of the website so that people can actually view the item. So first things first, we log into the administration area of the website. You're going to be confronted with the control panel when you log in, and to add an item we just go to K2 items. Now there's a couple of ways of doing this. You can just click items in the control panel, or alternatively you click on components and go to K2. You don't even have to hover over and click items, you just click K2 and it automatically goes to items. So the item we're going to add is a hairdryer, and we're going to just do this very quickly by adding another item using a template. So we just click tick in that box there, click copy, and you'll see at the top there we've got a new copy, a new item. So we open that up. So the first thing I'm going to do is rename that article and clear out the title alias. Now I'm going to save it because the alias is automatically generated, and you'll see it's taken a copy of the title, but I don't want that number at the beginning, so I'll just remove that. Obviously I could just type in a hairdresser if I wanted, but typically I don't fill out the alias. I would let the system do that. And you'll see that the category here is set to mobility because we copied an item from mobility. So I'm going to put that into electrical and miscellaneous. And if we scroll down, we'll see the editor here. Now you won't see the editor like this. It will be a normal text editor, but for me I'll just use a code editor. I'm just going to edit the prices, so that will be 16, and for 8 to 10 nights that will be 18, and for 14 nights 20 euros, and that's it. And you'll see the image there. Obviously that's wrong. Now I can either put a tick in the box and click save to remove this image, or just simply replace it. So I'm going to replace it. Need to find the image that I'm going to use. Click browse, and there we go, there's the hairdryer. So the only other thing really is the image gallery. If I wanted to add an image gallery, I just go to the image gallery tab, and you'll see there's already an image gallery there for the stroller because we had a stroller and we used that to make this item. So I'm just going to put a tick in that box and click save, so that it removes this gallery, and then go back down, click image gallery, you'll see it's empty. So I'm going to create a new one now, and I'm going to add images, and I'm going to click add files, and I'm going to add 2 images there. I just clicked on one, held control and click the other, and then click open, and you'll see there in the list upload and close. Obviously you can change these. If I want to, I can put a tick in that box and click delete and then add more images. Click save, close that, save and close. Now the only other thing is people need to find this item. So let's look at the website, shall we? And we'll see here we've got products, we've got baby products, and we've got mobility, but we haven't got electrical and miscellaneous. So we're going to have to add that. So let's go back to the admin area, and you'll see here we have menus, and we have the main menu which is at the top of the website, and you'll see here we have the products menu and then the sub items, baby products and mobility. So I'm just going to open up mobility, and very quickly just copy the category name from another screen, click save as copy, and you'll see here it says mobility 2, so I'm going to get rid of that and replace that with electrical and miscellaneous, and then go over to the alias and delete it so that it's automatically generated. Set that to published. The category is going to be wrong, so if I go over to the options tab, You'll see here it's displaying the mobility category. I'm going to tell it to display electrical and miscellaneous. Click save and close, and then we go to the website, refresh. Hey presto, we have baby products, mobility, electrical and miscellaneous. And if I click on that item now, you'll see we have the text there that we need to change. We have the image. Further down, we have the image gallery, and we have the prices. I hope that helps, and if you need any further help creating items, just let me know. Thank you.